Hi. I don't know if you can tell the hair color that I have, but it is definitely a very violet, sort of burgundy-ish, but more on the purple side. It's actually faded a lot. I've waited a long time, as you can see. My hair is super greasy. But anyway, that's the best time to do it. But anyway, it took me a long time to figure out like how to get this hair color, and I've watched a lot of YouTube videos to try to figure out, and different things work for different people, but this is what's worked for me. So I just want to show you what I use. I get a lot of compliments on it. You can't really see it, but I'll try to put some pictures in there. When I first do it, it's going to be like really super dark for like 2 or 3 days, and after I wash it a couple times, it'll fade. This is after like probably a month, maybe even 2 months. So it's, I mean, it holds on the color real well. Okay, this is what I use. You get it from Sally's. It's the Ion Color Brilliance Dimmy. They don't have it in the permanent, but it's 6VV Intense Violet. I love it. I don't know if you can see that. It's amazing. Anyway, since my hair is naturally so dark, I use this, the 20 developer. If your hair is not quite as dark, you probably only need the 10. But I use the Ion Sensitive Scalp, and works quite nicely. Let me double check to make sure what the ratio I'm supposed to use, and then I'm going to mix it up.